Every single day, the metro is full of boring people with boring rules. Well, I don't follow rules. I make them. Welcome to my train. Done with my juice? I'm just gonna drop it right here on the floor. Cleaning it up is the station staff's job, not mine. Get out of my way! Step aside, old lady! I am getting onto this train first, no matter who I have to push! Wow, this meme is hilarious. I am absolutely NOT looking up from my screen. If I don't look at him, I don't have to give up my seat. Perfect. Ugh, my legs are so tired. I don't care if it's a public train, I'm putting my feet up. Everyone else can just stare all they want. My precious backpacks deserve their own comfort. I don't care if people are standing and tired, my bags are staying right on these seats. Seriously? Oh, come on. I don't care if the whole metro is listening to me. I will scream on this call as loud as I want. It's my drama, my rules. Oh, please. It's just a cough. Stop overreacting. If you're so scared of germs, you shouldn't be traveling on public transport anyway. Ugh, what? So what if I'm leaning on you? The train is moving. Deal with it. Let me sleep. This song is an absolute banger! Everyone in this bus needs to hear this masterpiece right now. Deal with it. Move out of my way? No way! I need to stand right here with my bags. You all can just squeeze past me if you're in such a rush. Move it! This seat is mine now. I don't care if you were here first, I'm the one who's sitting here today. Get lost! Who cares about a little gum on the floor? The trash can is too far away, and I'm not walking over there. Someone else can clean it up.
Wait, a fine? For what?
Ugh, I guess even my rules can't get me out of this one. Don't be like me, guys. A journey is not just about moving from one place to another. It's a shared experience. Keep your space neat and tidy, so everyone can feel comfortable. Welcome, there's plenty of space here.
Oh, thank you. You're very kind.
In the metro, we may all be different, but we should always treat each other with respect. Be considerate of those around you. Keep your voice down, and be mindful.
Good manners are important, even when we are not feeling well. Always remember to cover your nose and mouth to keep others safe and healthy.
Look, I have these for you. They are for you.
Oh, thank you so much. These are so lovely. You are very kind.
Please, have a seat. You will be more comfortable here. Oh, thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
Wait for your turn to exit. It's important to be patient and let others go first. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. Kindness and good manners make every ride pleasant. Stay polite, stay safe. Have a wonderful day.